feeling mine's gonna be the heaviest of the three. What do you think?
I think so.
I think it's gonna be the heaviest of the three because he has Colin does have a base model.
What did he say to her?
I don't know.
Start doing some weight reduction. I'm gonna do a couple things, but not much, honestly, just because this is like a car I like to drive distance, and it's gotta be comfortable.
Yeah.
I'm on car 2. Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to DerekBaranProductions for another video. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and remember, watch the video all the way through. Drop a like right now, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. All those things help my videos get into the algorithm, and that's truly how this platform works, so please do it. But yeah, today we have Hades here, and if you saw the last video, we are still currently here at Cecil County Dragway. We had an awesome time. We all set some, well, I set a personal record. I think Colin may have as well. But you know, Hades did really, really well. It's a stock car, stock tune, stock suspension. The only thing that is technically a modification is gonna be the tire, which we do have the VMS drag pack. And if you guys haven't checked out that video, it's a banger. We filmed it with the boys. There's a card that just popped up, so go watch that as well after this video. You guys gotta see what it ran, man. Go watch that video. It surprised me. It really did. For I almost picked my nose and went to scratch it. For an out-of-box car with just a tire, they're quick, man. They really are. And that's why with today's video, I gotta see just how much this hog weighs. Well, it's not a Hellcat, so what would you think? A guinea pig? We call it a guinea pig? It's not quite a hog. Hog's a Hellcat.
That's a boat.
This guinea pig. So we're gonna see just how much a 2020 Mustang GT Performance Pack PP1 401A car. The PP1 is the Performance Pack. My brain just sizzled. Oh my God, that sounds insane.
Parachute.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm glad you caught that. That motherfucker ran a 9.4 at 80. He let out and ran a 9.4. Fuck my life. I want to go and see just how much this car weighs, because this is going to be a trim that's pretty much fully loaded, you know, that term. So it's probably going to be heavier, a lot heavier than a base model. You know, with doing the drag racing and stuff, there's only so much that I'm gonna do personally to reduce weight. You know, Jake, actually, come look at this. I hope this video is out.
That's Colin's car.
Oh, I'm tripping. So, really cool modification, actually. A little bit jealous. Check out those seats he got. Definitely shed some weight there, and that's huge. You know, the seats weigh a ton in our cars. So, I don't think I'm gonna go rip the car apart. I'm not really a fan of that. Oh shit, hold on.
Film them all.
Where the fuck? Where's the flag? Where's the flag?
Jeffrey
Here we go. Come on, chorus. For the land of the free. Colin, fuck.
God bless America. Joe Biden's mom's a slut. Trump 2024, baby.
God bless America, first off. He got these beautiful GT350 seats. If you want to check out that video, a car just popped up. Jealous. Definitely spent a bag though, that's for sure. You want to tell me how much they were?
No.
Over $3 grand. Pretty much what I'm aiming for is to kind of keep, you know, a nice interior. I don't want shit ripped apart, and I'll do a rear seat delete. I'll probably take out the passenger seat when we go racing, and the most I'll do is just get a race seat to throw in if I know that, you know, we're going to an event. But let's go and see what this thing weighs. Leave your guesses down in the comments below. Leaving Cecil County Dragway now, and I'll tell you what, boys, I'm getting more and more confident at the track. I'm just starting to understand it, starting to learn exactly what to do. And you know, once we get to that point to where I feel like I'm ready, I'm gonna buy some Hoosier slicks for Lucifer, and you know, we're gonna send the MT82 boosted Coyote down the track. I know it's gonna be a lot of learning. I know it's gonna be like You know, it might be embarrassing. We might run some 12s, we might run some high 11s, because it's really gonna come down to that 60 foot. As far as banging gears though, I'm not really worried. Just the first gear, 60 foot, leaving, treeing, like that's a lot in MT82 car. And with that being said, in the drag video that you guys are definitely gonna watch after this, right? Yes, I know you are. I gotta go ahead and give respect to Colin, man. He's out here with a Gen 3 MT82 car, ran a 12.6. You know, it's definitely, it's a trick. It's not easy. It's not easy to go fast in an MT82 car, manual car at that. I'm the first to say it. These A10 cars, they're not real driver's cars. They're not. But I almost wrecked by a punch buggy. To like a weigh station, so pretty cool. Oh yeah, right there, certified scales. Check that out. Pretty neat. Okay, let's get out of the first. Oh, fuck. Scared me.
It's just a car. Oh yes, yes. First time weighing it, sorry, it's hard to hear you.
Jake just weighed his. I guess he has to go inside and see what it weighed. Colin, you want to pull yours up? Let's see it. Suck in, blow all the air out. See what his is.
10,000 pounds.
I got a feeling mine's gonna be the heaviest of the three. What do you think?
I think so.
I think it's gonna be the heaviest of the three because Colin does have a base model. Jake has some weight reduction, no back seat, GT350R seats.
Yeah.
Mine's a stock PP1 401A, so mine's definitely gonna be the heaviest. Real question is though, by how much? So
what? Guess the number right now.
Oh, dude, I don't even know what they weigh. 39. I'm gonna say 39. I don't even know if that's low or high for these. I'm not sure. I'm gonna say 3,900 something. What did he say to her?
I don't know.
Colin's done. Let's get old Hades. Gotta do here.
I think there's a button they press right there.
I think it works.
I don't know.
Looks good there at least. Looks pretty fire.
You sure?
Okay, just so you know, when you're coming from just so car 2.
I'm on car 2?
Yeah, I got you in this car 2.
Okay, car 2. Okay, got it. So we're good to go?
You're good.
All right, thank you. Just gotta go inside now, see what we weigh, but we're gonna grab a thumbnail really fast. And I'm gonna say 39.78. That might be heavy. So I hope you guys have your guesses down below. If not, take a quick second, guess it. No cheating. Come on, let's make this a good game. And let's go, Ben. Just keep it rolling.
You know what yours weighs?
How do you know what it weighs?
Because Chris just weighed his car.
Oh, all right, don't say anything. Don't say anything.
Hey, take a guess. Take a guess what you did.
I was guessing. I don't know the weights. I was saying 3970
Okay, you're.
because it's a PP 401A.
That's exactly how his was.
That's how much it was.
No, that's the same spec car.
But I do have lighter wheels though, so it might shave off a couple. Let's go see. It better not be over 4. If it is, I'm going to the gym right now.
Going to the gym.
No, sir.
Cool deal. Thank you.
Can't have it.
I can't have it. Y'all have a good rest of your day, man.
You too.
Thanks. No, it's not 5,000. Here's the verdict. This fat cow, or fat guinea pig. All right, Jake, where's yours at? How much is weigh?
36.
Wow, that is light.
I said his weighed 37. That's 100 pounds lighter than I guessed.
How much is yours?
38.
No way.
Yo, 38.
Okay, that's not accurate. Then mine's 3,800 on the dot.
Okay,
too.
so since it's semi,
3,850. So I know they're at least somewhat
that makes perfect sense because I have lighter wheels. So 3,800.
Without me in the car's 3,650.
We'll say realistically, I'm right at 4K. That's with me full interior.
Gas and
Did
everything.
you get out of
Yeah.
the car when they weighed it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Outside the car. So I weigh 180.
I was in the car the whole time. Oh, I got out. Oh wait, shit! I messed up. Mine's 4,000 pounds.
Yeah.
Damn, it's fat as shit. God, I'm pissed now.
30,
Well,
dude, that's a
everything
lot of
is
weight
wrong.
though, dude. He has that's by 200 pounds stock. That's a lot. That's why he gaps you,
It's
dude.
mainly transmission. I got you guys by 400.
That's exactly why you gap him. That's why. Oh shit.
He didn't get shit.
He did gap. You did gap.
Let me see your time slip.
No.
I think I left that at the track.
It was too fast. Caught fire.
4,000 with me in it. Full tank of gas, or you know, it's on quarter.
Shit,
So
I'm pissed. Fat ass girl.
3,000 seats for no. $3,500 seats for no reason.
You talking shit, bro.
I'm still gonna gap you.
I'm leaving.
I almost beat him stock.
You did not.
Go watch the video.
What was your time? Like a full second pass.
You probably shit though when I took out of the hole. I jumped him.
I spun first.
I
was
jumped
like,
the shit out
I
of
knew.
him.
I was like, you had the red light in. I was like, there's no way.
I came out that hole screaming.
Jumped out like half a car. I was like, no chance. To the floor.
All right, well that's pretty cool. So now we have an idea. I wonder if we can find a like super accurate scale because those are going off of tens of thousands of pounds. So they're not going to give them
I don't
exact.
know how accurate we can. Like, I don't know another scale where it's gonna be like
Maybe a racetrack. That'll probably be the best.
if they have one.
Yeah, I know some do, but
All I know is phone.
he said he'll bench press you right where you stand.
I'm stronger than him. And you. And Ben. 275.
You like retired.
7.
You're alive.
Cap. All right, I'll get you on the way to the house.
All right, well, going back to the house, we're gonna find something to do. Pool party, I think. We're gonna see Colin get naked and dance in a Speedo.
Ooh, there you go.
It's 95
It
degrees.
did look like it rounded.
Yeah, I think it
Because
rounds.
all of them were 0-0, double
I thought it was gonna be 39, like dry weight, you know, curb weight of just the car.
How much gas? Yeah, but a quarter.
It might be close to 39.
Yeah.
Make sure I don't fall, but
True.
yeah. So now we have a rough idea of what it weighs, and we can, you know, once we start doing some weight reduction, I'm gonna do a couple things, but not much, honestly, just because this is like a car I like to drive distance, and it's gotta be comfortable.
Yeah.
But
You gotta
there's
think
nothing
things.
wrong with like ordering a Kirky seat, and like when it's drag time, and you know I'm on kill with this car. What is 30 minutes to take these seats out, throw the Kirky in, because that's shedding so much weight right there. That's probably what we'll do. We'll probably just buy a Kirky just to have in the garage, and then when it's time to go to an event and race, just slap it in, and that's the best it's gonna get, truthfully. Rear seat delete for sure. This guy's gonna hop this. Oh my God, that's scary. Bro, look at this!
He's sideways.
Dog, what if that shit tipped on me, and you guys just witnessed death? Like of me just getting crushed.
Well, me, I'm in here too.
But in my luck, it would just split perfectly down the middle, and you'd be saved. You'd just be pinched in a little area.
I'd be like, get away.
Can of sardine type shit. But all right, we're gonna go f***ing take a break, man. I'm tired.
We need some food. That's what we need. We've been
Yeah,
eating all day.
No.
I haven't eaten. We've been eating freaking Powerade.
But actually, I'm gonna call Jake. You can end this clip. So we're currently back home in Richmond, Virginia, and before I go ahead and close out this video and stuff, I just want to go ahead and set a friendly little reminder that Our 9 to Grind merch is nearly out of stock. For every dollar spent on 9togrind.shop will enter you to win a free, paid for, delivered straight to your door Cervini's hood for any year Mustang, and you get to pick it if you're selected come August 12th or before all this merchandise sells out. So if you guys want a chance to get in on this, because that's it. Like, take a look. As far as shirts, we have just 2 little stacks. Windbreakers, I think we have like legit 4 or 5. We have some shorts left, and this bag might actually be sold, but we have some really cool socks as well, both sports socks and white and black. So if you want to enter, you can get a brand new hood. You have a really good chance to. The odds are awesome because this drop was extremely small compared to some others. So head to 9togrind.shop, go and get your entries, and good luck everybody who entered.